to the test for review. Today I'm going to review this gun, this pistol. I'm going to name it the black, give it a nickname, the black pistol. The official name is written right here, so you can read it. So this is like a cheap version of the Kronos because it shoots little pellets like the hyper rounds, and it's also a pistol. So let's open this up. Okay. So included we get the gun itself and a magazine with pellets. So this is basically a spring powered blaster. To prime this, simply push back and push forward. These are little pellets, so it's difficult to find them, but I guess, but then they are cool. Like these are the pellets. They are tiny. They are even tinier than rival rounds. This one also has a laser light, which is pretty cool. So adjust your aim. And one thing I have to tell you, I have this old gun which is broken now. Now don't throw it. Don't try to not throw it on the ground because then this blew up. And one thing really funny about this blaster is that the magazine will not come out. There's some kind of thing, the spring is not working properly, but the magazine won't come out, which is hilarious. And the laser light is also weak. As you can see, this has a lot of contact issues. Yeah, it has a lot of contact issues. So this is the top prime blaster, and this requires those little batteries like the circular ones. So now I'll show you the firing. The velocity is very slow. Slower than, and like the, I think the Nerf guns that I own. Oh, didn't catch. Not catching. So you speed like what? Oh. Let me try. So I have some big speed. I have some big speed in this one. I'll just do it with the last one. Yeah. So that is it. This gun now, to my overall opinion, it is like a good gun if you just want to feel cool, but then it's not Nerf brand, so the quality is noticeable if you compare that directly to the Kronos or the Hyper Mock or the Hyper Pistol. It is not that good because it's not Nerf brand, but it's cheaper than that. So it's good, but not excellent, if you get what I mean. So yeah, so if you want to buy it, you can check out your local shop or Amazon. Okay friends, bye.